This round accumulation table automatically arranges and buffers containers. Ensuring smooth and continuous feeding for the entire packaging line. The automatic servo piston filling machine is designed for sauces and viscous products. Delivering precise volume control, clean filling, and stable operation. For edible oil and liquid products, the gear pump, the filling system ensures high accuracy, fast speed, and minimal dripping during filling. This double-head servo tin concealing machine provides strong, uniform seams with high stability, suitable for long-time continuous factory production. The can collecting machine automatically gathers finished products, improving workflow efficiency and reducing manual handling.